Hi there, my name is Jason Ravel. I'm a math instructor here at Western Technical College. Congratulations on enrolling in classes at Western. You must be trying to decide what courses to take, and specifically right now you're trying to decide which math class you should take. That's great. At Western, we want you to take the right math class to advance your career goals and also to match your current math skills with the demands of a college level math class. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about whether intermediate algebra is the right course for you right now. So the first question to ask is, why would somebody take intermediate algebra? Well, intermediate algebra is a great choice for your first college level math course. It refreshes algebra skills you have built somewhere before, although maybe it's been a little while. It'll prepare you for college algebra, which is a course you'll take if you're entering a career field that involves a lot of science, technology, engineering, or math, or what we sometimes call a STEM field. Intermediate algebra credits will count as electives towards Western's Associate of Arts or Associate of Science degrees, and the course will often transfer to other institutions, although it depends which college you're transferring to, and so that's something you will need to determine by working with your college advisor. So everybody wants to do well when they enroll in a course, and intermediate algebra does require that you have some incoming skills in math. So what kind of skills are they? Well, in algebra, we oftentimes have to simplify expressions, and that's a skill that you should more or less remember how to do when the course begins. So you should know how to simplify an expression like this one. Now, if you look at that expression and say, yeah, I think I remember how to distribute those things, then that's great. Intermediate algebra is probably a good course for you. In intermediate algebra, even in the very first classes, we do a lot of rearranging of equations. So you would need to be able to do this. Given this equation, 4x plus 3y equals 12, go ahead and solve that for y. Now, if you look at that and think that that's something you could do without too much trouble, that's great. If not, then intermediate algebra might not be the right course for you right now. And a lot of concepts in intermediate algebra relate to graphs. So one of the things that we'd be doing even on the very first day is determining coordinates and slopes. So as you look closely at this graph, do you think you could determine what the coordinates are for these 2 points shown? And could you determine what the slope of the line shown here is? If so, that's great. That's an indicator that you're at the right level to do well in intermediate algebra. But if not, then it might take a little bit more refresher before you're ready for this course. Now, there are some alternatives to intermediate algebra. If you're not sure you're ready for intermediate algebra and need a little bit of help getting ready, talk to your college advisor or your admissions coach. Western does have some individualized study programs to help you refresh some algebra that you've learned before, or if you've never had algebra, we can help you learn some foundational algebra for the first time. It's also possible that you're watching this video but think you're ready for a little bit more algebra. Then maybe you should consider college algebra. That's the course that you typically take when you're in a STEM career. Those are the types of careers I mentioned earlier. And that's a good course if you've taken a lot of math just really recently and done well in that. And if you think maybe that's the right course for you, you can watch a corresponding video about determining if college algebra is right for you. It's also possible that you're considering a career that doesn't involve much math. It's a non-STEM career, and so quantitative reasoning might be the right course for you. Quantitative reasoning is a course that studies a much broader range of topics without going quite as deep into algebra. And there's a similar video to this one that helps you determine if quantitative reasoning is the right course for you. Now, it's possible after watching this video you're still not sure which course you should take. Your admissions coach or your college advisor can help you get the information you need to make a good decision about that. And if you're still unsure or not sure who to contact, or you're not sure who your admissions coach or college advisor are, well, just go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen or at that email, and we will help connect you to the people who can help you get into the right class and do well. No matter what math class you decide, we're looking forward to seeing you in one of Western's math classes soon.